This is Huawei MatePad SE, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Google Chrome browser on it. So to start, you might want to open the Huawei app gallery. Then at the search bar type in Chrome. Let's see whether the app, so as you can see, the app gallery actually provides us with the external link to download the Google Chrome, so we'll tap on it. We have the warning over here that warns us that we'll downloading this particular app through the third-party service, or at this case the website appparks.com. So now we'll simply wait for the browser to be downloaded and installed. In here, make sure to grant App Gallery the Install Unknown Apps permission, then tap at the Install option over here, wait for the Google Chrome to get installed, and from now we can start using it. So as you can see, among the apps I have in my tablet, it should be somewhere over here. So here it is. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.